Mastering formal introductions. Elevate your English conversations. Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of our English learning series. Today, we will focus on a very important skill in the world of formal communication, introducing people in a formal setting. Whether you're at a business meeting, a conference, or a formal dinner, mastering this skill can leave a lasting impression. So, let's dive in. Formal introductions are slightly different from casual ones. They typically involve full names, titles, and sometimes, a brief description of the person's role or accomplishments. It's important to remember that the tone is polite, respectful, and professional. For example, instead of saying, "Meet Sam," you might say, "May I introduce Dr. Samuel Bennett, our esteemed head of research?" It's all about showing respect while providing relevant information about the person you're introducing. Practicing in realistic scenarios is key to mastering formal introductions. This involves imagining or role-playing situations where these introductions might occur. Consider scenarios like business meetings, academic conferences, formal dinners, or networking events. For instance, envision yourself at an international business conference. You're tasked with introducing your company's CEO to a group of potential investors. How would you do it? Or, imagine you're a student at a research symposium, and you need to introduce your professor to the audience. What would you say? Now, let's dive into a few specific role-playing scenarios for practice. Scenario 1. You're the host at a formal dinner party, and you need to introduce a renowned author to your guests. Scenario 2. You're at a business meeting, and you need to introduce your team leader to a new client. Scenario 3. You're attending a medical conference, and you have to introduce a leading researcher to the attendees. In each scenario, remember to focus on full names, titles, and a brief description of the person's role or relevance. Make your introductions clear, confident, and professional. Mastering formal introductions in English is an essential skill for anyone involved in professional or academic settings. It's all about respect, relevance, and confidence. Practice these scenarios, imagine more of your own, and you'll soon become an expert in this art. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep practicing, and keep improving your English.